Have you ever wondered why every good story about the Southeast somehow disappears before it reaches national TV? Why the same media that amplifies conflict, crime, or stereotypes suddenly goes silent when Enugu launches a tech hub, when Abia becomes cleaner, when Ebonyi completes a mega project, or when Anambra's private estates multiply? Is it oversight or something deeper? Today, we are exposing the truth behind the silence. Nigerian media has one persistent addiction. Negativity sells, conflict sells, controversy sells, fear sells, but development, growth, progress, those don't trend. When a road collapses anywhere in Nigeria, everyone hears about it. But when a city quietly becomes cleaner, more organized, or more investor-friendly, the cameras turn away. This isn't just a Southeast problem, but the Southeast suffers the most because its progress contradicts a long-established national narrative. For decades, the mainstream story has been that the Southeast is poor, underdeveloped, chaotic, or lacking space. So when modern estates rise in Anambra, when Enugu attracts tech workers, when Ebonyi builds flyovers, when Abia cleans up Aba, it disrupts the old stereotype. And guess what? Many media houses prefer stereotypes because they are easier to sell than complex realities. Let's be honest, Nigeria's politics thrive on regional comparison. A developed Southeast strengthens the bargaining power of the region. A progressing Southeast challenges old political power blocks. So, silence becomes a tool. Downplay Southeast progress, amplify Southeast challenges, and the political narrative stays intact. There is something unique about Southeast development. Most of it is private sector powered. Private estates, private schools, private hospitals, private roads, private malls. That means no massive government PR machinery pushing out headlines, no press conferences, no media bleeds. So the progress grows, but quietly. Another truth: if you post a video of a bad road in the Southeast, it can hit 500k views. But if you show a clean city like Umuahia or a dualized road in Ebonyi, maybe 5k views. People share what shocks them, not what inspires them. And the media follows the same pattern. The Southeast has grown faster than the national narrative can adjust. Cities that people mocked in 2010 are unrecognizable today, but the old mindset still lingers. Narratives are slow, development is fast, and right now, the Southeast is simply outgrowing the story Nigeria tells about it. If you believe in telling the real story of the Southeast, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Let's amplify the facts, not the stereotypes. Let's show Nigeria and the world what the media wants.